Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to protect Notepad file with the password. So first thing what you will do guys is just simply go to win-rar.com and just simply download WinRAR. So guys, from here, after you have downloaded it, just simply open the application and now it will look something like this. So now from here, just simply go to the file or text file that you have. So I have here a text file. So just simply right click on it and you will have here add to archive. So from here, add files to archive, you will have this pop up over here. And from here, you will have an option set password. So just simply provide the password over here and just simply re-enter the password for verification, and you can just simply select OK and select OK. And now you will have that file a password. So from here guys, when we try to open it up, as you can see over here, as you can see, we will have here a WinRAR file. And when I open it up, as you can see, it will prompt us to have a password. So just simply go ahead and type in your password and select OK, and you should be able to open the file. So that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.